I will now demonstrate how you can use Webhook with Kleopatra Crypto Trading Bot. Webhook is a quite new concept that you may not be familiarized with. I'll first explain a little bit about webhooks and their similarities with API keys and API secrets, namely APIs. Simply put, Webhook is a mechanism to send messages between two applications. Those messages are sent to a unique URL, so events can be tracked in one application, and based on those events, invoke behavior in another. However, they differ from APIs in how they make communication requests. APIs will communicate with service provider to check on data whether there has been a data change or not. On the contrary, webhooks receive calls through URL only when some data change happened. To put it simply, an API sends a message when you ask it to, while a webhook sends a message when criteria has been met. To set up a webhook, all you have to do is to give a unique URL to the service provider you're requesting data from and add a message you want to send. That URL will accept data and initiate the action when a certain event happens. With Kleopatra Crypto Bot, you can use webhooks to get messages from TradingView and automatically execute trades on your exchanges based on those messages. This is possible with TradingView Alerts because they actually are immediate notifications when the market meets your custom criteria. They can be everything from price movements to changes in any of the indicators. Most commonly, you will use your computer to set up a webhook. It's easier that way. Then, every time a webhook is triggered, you will get a notification in your Kleopatra Telegram chat. Firstly, to start the webhook creation, you will pin the trading pair that you want to create a webhook on. Let's choose to create a webhook on Bitstamp exchange for Bitcoin USD trading pair. Give me a moment to pin it first. Secondly, to access the webhook input form, you will enter the /hook alert command. Have in mind that you need to have your executor running at all times when you are using webhook for your trading strategies. Or you can also access it with the use of buttons. First you will click Home, then Strategies, and finally, Webhook. Let me show you. In this form you will set your order which will be executed when the TradingView alert will be triggered, and Webhook will inform Kleopatra about it. Of course, if you are running executor, you will need to tick the automatic execution box if you want to enable automatic execution. Otherwise, you will get the notification when the alert is triggered, and you will need to confirm execution manually. Let's confirm it. In this message now you can see the URL and buy and sell messages for TradingView Alert that Kleopatra has prepared for you. You will use it to enter it in TradingView in just a minute. Let's now set up your TradingView Alert as well. To do that, you will need to have TradingView subscription and be logged into your TradingView account. You can open the TradingView graph of pinned trading pair by clicking the first link in Webhook message in Kleopatra. Otherwise, you will need to be attentive that you have the correct graph displayed in TradingView that is the same as you have it pinned in Kleopatra. Let's say you'd like to have that trade executed when the 9-minute exponential moving average crosses price line. You will first create the 9 EMA line on your graph and create one alert for buy and one for sell. I will choose the 1-minute time frame for demonstration purposes, but you can do it on any time frame. Let me show you. You will then copy the URL Kleopatra offered you in a webhook creation and paste it into the TradingView alert. You will create one TradingView alert for buying orders and one for selling orders and copy the buy and sell message accordingly. Let me show you. You are all set now. This TradingView Alert is now enhanced with Webhook that enables you automatic execution of said order on your exchange. Let's now wait for the message that you get when the order is sent on exchange based on your Webhook. Here it is. In this message you can see the details of orders sent on your exchange. This is quite amazing, would you agree? Scan QR code or click the link in the description box below to join Kleopatra and set up execution of your trades on real crypto exchanges via TradingView. Scan QR code now to join Kleopatra.